Hello and welcome to How to Grow Stocks from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available at most garden stores. On the reverse of the packet you'll find the growing times for your region. Step 2. Dig your soil. Remove any weeds and any stones. Step 3. Rake the soil, breaking up any large lumps until you have a fine till. Step 4. Mark out a row using a piece of string tied between two sticks. Step 5. Make a groove in the soil about ½ inch deep. Step 6. Sow the seeds into the groove that you've just created. Sprinkle them as evenly as possible. Step 7. Cover the seeds with soil and gently press it down. Step 8. Give the seeds a good watering. Try and use a fine spray to avoid washing the seeds away. Step 9. Label the row. It's important to do this because if you plant many things, you can forget what you've planted and where you've planted it. Step 10. Keep the seeds well watered and within a few weeks they will begin to germinate. Step 11. When the plants have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to thin them out. Leave the remaining ones at a distance of 4 to 6 centimetres. After you've thinned them out, give the remaining plants a good watering. Step 12. Flowers will begin to appear. Ignore all the pieces of straw as I just cut the grass along the border. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative and please like it if you have. Please also subscribe to my channel where there are many more gardening videos. Thank you and goodbye.